Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Tutorial, Counting Special Characters in a String Using Python. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to count special characters in a string using Python. Special characters typically refer to any character that is not a letter, AZ or AZ, a digit, 0 to 9, or a whitespace character. This includes symbols like punctuation marks, mathematical symbols, and any other non-alphanumeric characters. Step 1. Define special characters. First, we need to define what constitutes a special character for our purpose. For this tutorial, let's consider special characters as any character that is not a letter, a digit, or a whitespace character. Step 2. Write Python code. Explanation. Step 3. Test the code. You can test the code with various input strings containing different types of characters to ensure its correctness and robustness. Conclusion. Counting special characters in a string is a common task in text processing. With the help of Python's string manipulation capabilities, we can easily write a function to achieve this task. This tutorial provides a simple and effective method to count special characters in a given string. ChatGPT.